Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Hi, Keval. I'm good.
Congrats on Indus Wars, sir.
Thanks a lot, Keval. And what are you up to these days?
I mean,
Lockdown,
I
how productive
yeah.
lockdown has been for you?
It, I mean, I thought it would be way more productive than it is right now. Like
Hmm.
when it started out, I thought I'll complete my writing for another show which I
Script
was doing.
and
That didn't happen. I started stand
why?
up though.
You started stand up. But who are
Yeah.
you doing stand up for? Like nobody's coming out and nobody's going for shows.
No, it'll
What
be
are you doing? Like
virtual stand up.
online stand up. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I did
audience आ
two.
रही है online stand up के लिए.
आती है सर, आती है. मेरे को भी लगा
आपको
तो नहीं आएगी, बट आती
हाँ
है. 50, 50, 60 लोग होते हैं. And
हाँ
hota hai. Once I bombed, second time it was all right. And then I do this
हाँ
podcast, weekly 2 episodes. So time निकल जाता है.
निकल जाता है हाँ? नहीं
हाँ,
bombing
आप क्या
is
कर रहे हो?
bombing is important I think. Unless you bomb, you won't be doing good stuff. You need
Yeah,
to
I
bomb.
mean,
हाँ,
Ruben Kaduskar is a comic who suggested me to do open mics. I was doing it for my friends who
okay.
suggested me to do open mics, and he said, "Ki, do it," and I did it, and that was it was 2nd July, and
Hmm.
in the morning I
सेकंड
had
जुलाई
scheduled a
मतलब अभी.
podcast.
हाँ
अभी हाँ.
हाँ
So I had a podcast scheduled in the morning, which went
हाँ.
real bad.
Why?
And
You were not prepared, or the guest was not prepared?
no. The guest was everything was proper, but the guest
हाँ.
had 7 phone calls in between the podcast.
That is why I've asked you to put this podcast on computer, because then I'll switch off my phone and there won't be any disturbance over there.
Yeah,
Doing it
that
on
works
phone
there.
is painful. Like you get WhatsApp and everyone is just a sec. I'll just place my laptop properly.
Yeah,
Huh. But I know this disturbance thing is a part and parcel of our lives now.
yeah. I
So
mean,
it's
now we
better.
have to get on with it.
Yeah, so it's always better. Huh? Now it's better, I think. This is better. Hmm.
Hmm.
So
And
yeah.
and then in the end, I did stand up, and I bombed
Hmm.
again. So it was like the worst day possibly. And
चलता है,
well,
चलता
it's all
है.
right. That happened.
Hmm.
What are you up to, sir? I remember this. You were
Hmm.
the nicest, one of the nicest people who gave me good advice in the beginning. Like I wrote my first draft. I remember.
Hmm.
You do you remember this? I wrote this 10 episodes,
I
and I
remember you
messaged
very
you.
specifically. Yeah.
Yeah, I messaged you, and you said बात करते हैं, and we did. And after I give you an elevator pitch, you said कि characters पे काम करो थोड़ा सा. And I
Hmm.
remember thinking that time,
Hmm.
this guy doesn't know anything.
Hmm.
And then I studied more, and I realized okay, he was proper. I was dumb enough,
Hmm.
and now I'm writing.
Hmm.
But how are you, sir? What have you been up to?
Hmm. Nothing much, man. I've been writing. I'm working on a couple of pitches. I'm finishing my screenplay. I thought I'll be productive, so it's almost the same story. So the target was like quite a lot, because when this entire lockdown thing happened, we all got really excited. All the writers, कि नहीं, ये बाकी है, सब कुछ है. But हाँ, कुछ हो गया है, कुछ बाकी है. तो चल रहा है, मतलब I'm constantly writing. Like there's not a single day passed by when I was not writing. So
That's
that
good.
has happened. That has happened. We are doing some stuff in the stores. So those
Exactly. Is the
discussions
second
are
edition
on.
coming off of Stunt?
Yeah. Stunt second edition will come out perhaps next year, because this year too none of the Comic Cons or other events are happening. So this year we will have to take a break, and next year we might come out with more books than we had initially planned. So
That's
that is
great.
going on. That is going on. There's a lot of reading that is happening.
But
So I
do
mean,
you feel uninspired to do this? Like I want to write more, but the struggle from getting to
writing is
the
a
bed
swing.
to the laptop.
हाँ वो होता है वो. लैपटॉप भी ओपन होने के बाद, if your draft is not open, so opening the draft is the biggest job that I think a writer goes through. Once you open the draft, once you start reading it, you start writing. So that
हाँ,
happens.
तभी it just
हाँ
starts
हाँ,
going in.
it starts. But उसके बीच में बहुत सारा सोशल मीडिया है, उसके बीच में दुनिया भर की चीजें हैं that you want to read. then there are hazar other things to do, like to say, you have to go through your bills and 50 cheez aur
Oh
karne hai.
yes.
Everything becomes your a job. Writing becomes
Did
your
your
B job. Always, it
did
always
your
happens.
bill also come exponentially high?
नहीं तो मतलब आप जो तुम कर रहे हो घर में रह रहे हो पूरे पूरे टाइम तो बिल तो हाई होगा ही होगा. You can't really
हाँ.
blame anyone for that. हाँ, you can't really blame anyone for that. But otherwise also like there are like so many things happening, ना कि distractions बहुत हैं. So you get distracted all the time, and then there are deadlines. So deadlines से बेहतर कोई inspiration नहीं है दुनिया में. So when you're
हाँ, you have
chasing a deadline,
deadlines.
when you're chasing a deadline, then हो जाता है काम. Like you won't work throughout the day, but you
You have
will
to submit.
that हाँ वो dinner के आसपास तुमको लगेगा कि नहीं आज पूरे दिन कुछ हुआ नहीं है. Then you'll sit and you'll write
Hmm.
for like 3 hours. Even if you spend good 2-3 hours in writing, I think you will churn out something decent enough. दिन का 2-3 घंटे अगर
Sure.
तुम कर तो वो हो जाता है और
Now,
वो पुश करना पड़ता है खुद को.
हाँ, अभी तो मेरा वही हो गया कि अभी मैं इंस्टा ऑफ कर देता हूँ. लाइक इंस्टा में कभी कभी क्विट ही कर देता हूँ, डिलीट ही कर देता हूँ ऐप, जस्ट क्योंकि बहुत मैसेज आते हैं और पता नहीं समथिंग एल्स हैपेंस.
हाँ.
तो इंस्टा डिलीटेड, व्हाट्सएप डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब, एंड आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग. बट राइटिंग रियली डजंट हैपन ऑल द टाइम. बट पॉडकास्ट पे डेडलाइन है, सो आई हैव टू गिव 2 एपिसोड अ वीक.
Good 60, good 60-70% of thinking. So I will say
Yeah.
writing you cannot really say इतने घंटे मैं लिख रहा हूँ उतने ही घंटे writing हो रही है. Writing is a lifestyle. So when you are not writing, you're thinking about things. When you are not thinking about things, you're researching on a subject matter. Maybe that is not the subject matter right now in hand. You might be researching about something that you want to do right after this. But
Sure.
it takes a lot of discipline to stay on what you're doing and finish it before you jump into something else. That
Hmm.
discipline is something हाँ वो बहुत god like same zen mode चाहिए कि आप जो कर रहे हो वही कर रहे हो फिर दूसरे के लिए बाद में करोगे. So that I think almost all the writers I've spoken to, all the writers I know, they all go through this entire thing of ADD
Yeah.
of stories, attention deficiency disorder of stories. So your attention is always jumping from one place to another. That always
and
happens.
and sometimes now I've started doing this whenever I'm free, whenever else I'm doing some activity, and just I'm thinking constantly something else. So for example, I'm just winning an argument in my head.
Hmm.
So if I realize ki, oh, this is a very good thing, so I just go and I have a separate dialogue section where I just write some good dialogues, that these are very good dialogues.
So that always happens. Yeah, that always happens. I don't know if it's here, but मेरा पूरा स्टंट का जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो फॉर्मेट में है ही नहीं है. वो बहुत ही ऑफ फॉर्मेट लिखा हुआ है. I didn't follow any structure or any format because this was my story. I knew मेरी story कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है. And because I was writing it my way, so if you see my writing, it's all unstructured. कहीं sketch पढ़े हैं, कहीं कुछ पढ़ा है. मतलब
Yeah.
it's like me deciding what I want to do. So generally that is what I do. So I'm not writing my dialogues. At times I'm just writing my structure. At times I'm just writing a scene. At times I'm just figuring out how that scene will come across on paper.
Right.
Page पे कैसा दिखेगा. So उसके अलावा I'm doing like a kind of a flow chart of an event. So it's a very
Yeah, that's
unstructured way of writing how I write. If I'm writing for myself, if I'm writing for a client or if I'm writing for somebody else, they won't get it. So after doing this exercise, I will go into like a proper structured writing. For myself, I think मेरा दो स्टंट का issues इसके अंदर है. मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या क्या करना है, कैसे उन
oh
चीजों को
lovely.
मैं बेहतर बना सकता हूँ. हाँ. So
I
that
recently started reading comic books now.
what are you
Like
reading?
like I read Avatar's Kyoshi. You know Avatar: The Last Airbender?
Mm-hmm.
So I
Avatar,
downloaded an
okay.
e-comic of Kyoshi.
Okay.
So it's
I
really
haven't
nice.
read much of Avatar: The Last Airbender because I've seen the animated show and I like the animated show there.
Yeah, I just completed animated
हाँ.
show and I loved it.
हाँ. So it came out by the time
2003.
by the time I was already writing and doing things and I was already an adult. So Avatar was kind of kiddish, but I really liked the storytelling in Avatar, especially because
Yeah.
it takes up a lot of American sensibilities of storytelling and it mixes it with the Asian storytelling.
Yeah,
It's not really an anime, but it is an anime that Americans have produced and designed. So
it's very nice. It's very nicely done.
it's pretty cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really
But
like
do
the
do you,
designs and everything.
yeah, and
I might be
I
having
wanted to
an
ask
art
you
of
this.
Avatar with me actually somewhere in my library. I have it because I really,
Oh,
really
really?
love the way. Yeah, yeah. The way that they have. It must be there in my library. It's
I
one of the
after
books that I really am inspired with. But I got inspired by Avatar much later in life, like around 2008 2009, when I was starting in animation. That is when I actually watched Avatar and I really loved it. Yeah, you were saying something.
yeah, by like this is what I was saying. Ki after like I loved animation, but
Hmm.
I'm often noticing that India में इतना animation का बड़ा gap है नहीं. Like for example, now Rick and Morty has come in, which is adult animation. You know what I'm saying? Like
Mhm.
people who
But
are
चल रहा है यार 25 साल से, मतलब रिक एंड मॉर्टी तो बहुत बाद में आया, सिम्पसन्स है, फैमिली गाय चला,
Simpsons है.
हाँ, फ्यूचरामा हुआ, तो वहाँ एक कल्चर है उस तरीके के कार्टून से। द क्रिटिक करके एक बहुत अच्छी सीरीज है, बहुत छोटी सीरीज है, 2 सीजन की, तो दे डू अ
Right.
लॉट ऑफ एनिमेशन फॉर अडल्ट्स, आई वोंट से
Exactly.
इट्स
And I was thinking कि India में कब आएगा? I was thinking of making a documentary on one this पे, but it just didn't work out. But after watching Avatar again, I thought I want to do animation now. So I'm like learning थोड़ा बहुत, trying to do something.
व्हाट यू लर्न,
I mean, I'm just drawing
एनिमेशन,
some stuff,
प्रोग्रामिंग,
trying to
हाँ,
do like first I'm drawing stop motion firstly. So I just
ओके,
draw three frames and I
हम्म,
click pictures and then
हम्म,
FCP में convert करता हूँ मैं. So
हम्म,
FCP में I start editing or do stop motion or
हम्म,
iMovie because I don't know, I don't have the Adobe things क्योंकि Adobe पता नहीं paid
पेड,
paid मिल नहीं free मिल नहीं रहा है मुझे.
नहीं उसका स्टूडेंट लाइसेंस है ना 30 डेज का, फ्री, 30 days
वो
free. So
एक्सपायर हो
you
गया,
can
मैंने दो तीन
prepare
बार ट्राई किया
you
बट
can
नहीं हो रहा है वो.
prepare everything. You can prepare everything, get ready, and then download. Na, then start your trial period. Why do you
I
want to
did.
start trial period even before you've done your stop motion ka baki cheez?
No. I tried, but एक
There are enough open source softwares. You don't need an Adobe ka software. There people are making films on public domain softwares. Renderman
so
free.
I haven't searched it anymore, but I'll try it out now.
Yeah, what? Look for open source softwares. You will
I
find
downloaded
enough.
Fire Alpaca.
Okay. I'm not really much into your stop motion thing.
Okay.
मतलब एक एक आइडिया है मुझे कि मुझे क्या करना है, एंड फॉर टेक्निकल नो हाउ आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर people who know their shit basically.
Hmm.
That works for me in a way because I cannot learn everything, right? So
Definitely.
I would rather let some specialists take care of their particular job, and I'll remain the creative on the entire thing. It's like saying मेरे को कैमरा वर्क नहीं सीखने का, बिकॉज कैमरा वर्क मुझे पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए, मैं एक अच्छे आदमी को बता दूंगा मुझे क्या चाहिए, एंड इफ दैट पर्सन कैन गिव मी दैट
You know what you
vision
want.
that I have in mind, yeah, so मुझे क्यों सीखना है उस चीज को, मतलब यू
Definitely.
नीड, हाँ, यू नीड टू बी लाइक एन अरेंजर, जुबिन मेहता अगर बोलेगा मैं वायलिन भी बजाने का, मेरे को ड्रम भी बजाने का, मेरे को ये भी करने का, कर सकते हैं. But the thing is, if experts are doing that and you are conducting that orchestra, your orchestra will be much better and much powerful.
But that is why the reason I started animation is because I have written an animation script I
Hmm.
wanted to do for Voracious, but it didn't work out because I couldn't find some animators who could do it for free because I don't have money to spend.
Yeah, but why will anybody do anything for free for you?
I know. Of course, they shouldn't.
Ah,
But
but you have to,
I was
you
trying
have
with my
to,
friends, and
but
they
you
said
can,
yes.
what you can always make a proposition. First of all, have some fun handy, and then you can, meet your friends, do this entire thing. See, भाई हम लोग सारे इस पे producer रहेंगे. Whenever things get sold, whenever it becomes, whenever it fetches money, this is the percentage that I have in
You
mind,
will get.
and you will get this and make a
Yeah.
contract.
That was the plan.
Crowd
But
crowdfunding में चले जाओ, crowdfunding में करो उस चीज को, so you will also have some money. But even go for crowdfunding, you need some friends who buy into your craziness, who buy into your madness, then they
no,
work with you.
I am working on a movie which we have crowdfunded.
Hmm.
So I'm the marketing associate on that movie. Look, I joined a later stage, but yeah, I am like, it's a Guju movie called Shunya. It's an indie, and just yeah, directed by some of my friends, and we're doing it. Edit shoot ho gaya, edit chalu hai, so hopefully ho jana chahiye wo. So after that, maybe on this animation project we'll hop on.
Yeah, that's how you have to go about it.
I was googling you, and firstly the first name which came was Alok Sharma is a British politician.
British politician is an MP. Yeah.
Yeah. So I thought firstly it's kind of ironic. Indian person in British and doing politics over there. Just a bad joke.
Indians ये कर रहे थे, run कर रहे थे. When their PM got COVID positive, there was something PT Jain or something. So
I don't know that much.
Two Indians who were running the business over there.
Yeah, Alok Sharma is one of the guys. I saw is one of the videos. He's saying we will get the vaccines first or something like that. But anyways, I saw that like I messaged you because of Babbar Ka Tabbar. I got to know from Babbar Ka Tabbar. But you were doing some of my favorite shows like Little Krishna and Roll Number 21. I used to watch them when I was a child with my friends.
Okay. Yeah, I was associated with Little Krishna. I was associated with Roll Number 21. Yes.
Also, Astra Force.
Astra Force I co-created actually. I co-created Astra Force and I produced it also. While I was writing with a team of writers, I had like a really nice, talented bunch of writers. There was R. Shora, there was Swapnil Narendra, there was Marma Banda, and there was Sandeep. I think एक दो और.
तो आपका creators में नाम क्यों नहीं है? Creators में Amitabh Bachchan and someone else's name.
So the thing is, when I joined the team, there was already an Astra Force existing. Idea था, ठीक है. But for animation, I have to adapt that thing into animation, and I have to create an animated world for Astra. So that thing is something that I have created. How he comes up, and teams up with these two kids and all those things. जो पूरा एक track है, वो मैंने create किया था. उसका जो animated origins है, वो मैंने किया था. You say like Bruce Timm did Superman Adventures, but he wasn't a creator of Superman. Creator Superman Joe Shuster है, right? But Bruce Timm created the animated world for Superman or Batman Adventures, both. So it's one of those kind of jobs. Even you can call it like India में होता नहीं है वो designation, but it's like a showrunner kind of a thing where you.
Yeah. I was just coming to that.
You're constantly creating stuff, you're producing, directing, you're doing almost everything. You're running the show. Yeah. So.
Right. But when you say producing, like I had Ian Edwards on this podcast. Ian Edwards is a showrunner for Carmichael Show and Friends from College and more. So I asked him ki over there, producer generally really means just a writer, like just a more of an evolved position in the writer.
It's a very, I'll say it's a vanity credit. Okay, there are times when an actor comes on board and actor says I'll be creatively involved with my character, and the actor is so big that the actor wants to become a producer. He wants to get an exec producer tag. There are times when people who go and set the entire production. Like Spielberg does a lot on a lot of films, so he becomes an executive producer. There are times when there are people who are creators. They have created the property, and now the property is getting made. So in a lot of films, like right now, Mark Miller is doing Wanted, Kick-Ass 2, and all those films. They are based on Mark Miller's comic books. So his name appears as one of the producers on the show. Yeah. So वो executive producer वाला जो space है, वो generally showrunners के लिए वहाँ पे रखा जाता है, जैसे J.J. Abrams and your Damon Lindelof, or there are so many people like Paul Dini.
No, I get what you're saying. Yeah. But यहाँ इसलिए तो इंडिया में तो मुझे like when I was working over here, the producer title just meant पैसा, like the guy who's just providing money.
Financiers को producer बोला जाता है अपने यहाँ in lieu of better terms. So जो पैसे लगा रहा है वो financier है और उसको producer बोला जाता है. But generally ऐसा है नहीं अपने यहाँ की फिल्मों में भी. पैसे लगाने वाला प्रोड्यूसर नहीं होता, पैसे लाने वाला प्रोड्यूसर होता है, राइट? So if
Right.
a producer is making a film, he's getting that money from some businessman, some builder, somebody. तो ये सारे जो पैसे ला रहा है और वो पैसे लगा के वो ये गेम खेल रहा है, वो बंदा प्रोड्यूसर है हमारे यहाँ। So it's not like producer ही पैसे लगा रहा है, it's like producer is trying to make this entire machinery oiled and he's trying to make this entire machinery work. It's a
Right.
very
But
vague concept. You don't know कि ये producer, अगर मैं बोलूँ सपोज मैं producer हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ? मैं creative producer हूँ, मैं पैसे नहीं लगा रहा उसमें,
right. Yeah,
मैं
you're
नहीं
running.
कर रहा हूँ वहाँ पे, मैं रन कर रहा हूँ उस गेम को, yeah.
But coming back to animation, you were in animation for a long time. Krishna, Astra Force, and Role Number 21. You also developed a video game, Blazing Bajirao.
Yeah, for Blazing Bajirao, yeah. It was
Right.
based on a concept that we all, a lot of other people also were involved. It wasn't like Blazing Bajirao मेरा अकेले का नहीं है. तो वो,
Yeah, you were in the development of it.
I was in the development of it. Yeah, I was in. It was based on something that we created in our designs. So एक तो वो भी है कि हमारे designs use कर रहे हैं वो लोग, और दूसरा था कि उसको टेस्ट रन वगैरह करके देखना है और बाकी सारी चीजें करना है. तो डेवलपमेंट में we were there.
Part of it, yeah. But tell me, how does the animation work though? Like you written a script, then it goes to the illustrator.
No. So what exactly happens is you do a script, you find a producer who likes your script, who's ready to commit to your script. First.
No. I'm saying after the
आपका सब कुछ सेट हो गया है तो आपकी स्क्रिप्ट जाती है एक एनिमेटिक आर्टिस्ट के पास. एनिमेटिक इज बेसिकली स्टोरी बोर्डिंग. So they storyboard the entire thing, but nowadays what happens is storyboards are placed on a timeline. So it's a 10 minute 11 मिनट का कट रहेगा एनिमेटिक का, जिसमें सारी चीजें मुझे दिख रही हैं कि कैसा हो सकता है ये. एंड दैट इज जनरली नॉट, अगर 11 मिनट का एपिसोड है तो 12-13 मिनट का एनिमेटिक होता है. देन वी सी दैट, देन वी नो व्हाट्स वर्किंग, व्हाट्स नॉट. So that gets edited on paper only. And then it goes into animation. Then there are process in animation कि वो जाएगा, उसका कॉम्प बनेगा, कॉम्प बन के आएगा, फिर उसको आप भेजोगे, फिर वो एनिमेशन बन होके आएगा. So it's a +1+1+1. So you write something, then gets voiceover first. Scratch voiceover आता है. You listen to the scratch voiceover, you realize this joke is landing, this joke is not landing. Let's rework it. Now the scratch voiceover goes to the storyboard artist. Storyboard artist does storyboard, and it comes back to you. You again go through it. You see what's working, what's not. Are there any issues in storytelling? Then you resolve those problems in the storyboarding process. Then animatic happens where you get to see the entire timeline. ये 11 मिनट का एपिसोड आपको रफ दिख जाता है कैसा दिखेगा. देन वहाँ पे आप करेक्शन करते हो, फिर वो एनिमेशन में जाता है. तो it's a constant improvisation on what you had on paper.
Wow. So approximately how much time does it take for an episode?
So an 11 minute will take anywhere from between like say 20 days to 40 days के बीच में एक 11 मिनट का एपिसोड होता है. बट वो 22 मिनट से एपिसोड भी वैसे ही होता है. वो 45 डेज से 60 डेज के बीच में 22 मिनट भी हो जाता है. So yeah,
मतलब काफी टाइम लगता है.
It's a time consuming process, but animation is even more time consuming. There are times when you are doing something for years, like 2-3 साल भी लग रहे हैं तुमको कुछ करने में. Astra Force करने में शुरू में हमको कितना 6 महीने 8 महीने तुमको सब प्रिपेयर करने में लगा. So that goes on यार. मतलब you cannot really say कि आज किया है और मुझे इस दिन में मिल जाएगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो चल रहा है, जो तुम्हारा जैसे रोल नंबर 21 चल रहा है, वो बन रहा है लगातार. There is a team and there is a studio that is delivering. उस जगह पे 20 से 40 दिन लगता है. बट अदरवाइज अगर कुछ एकदम नया करने जा रहे हो जहाँ पे तुमको पूरी टीम सेट करनी है, इट कैन टेक एनीवेयर फ्रॉम 6 months to a year just to set the team, just to get the right quality stuff. So yeah, so it's a time consuming process. Yeah. कोई चीज एकदम नहीं होगी.
You also worked on Mahakumbh, right?
Yeah, Mahakumbh में I did a couple of episodes. Not a lot of them. I did a couple of episodes.
I mean 200. IMDb पे दिखा.
200 नहीं किया मैंने. मैंने 5-10 के बीच कुछ किया होगा. मैं शुरू में था.
अच्छा.
हाँ, डिसिप्लिन इन द सेंस कि डेली सोप का एक अलग स्पेस है। आई
Oh,
डोंट वांट टू,
definitely.
हाँ आई डोंट वांट टू से वो खराब है अच्छा है, मेरे हिसाब से बहुत डिसिप्लिन है वो एक अलग तरीके की मशीनरी है, उसके लिए बहुत अलग तरीके का डिसिप्लिन चाहिए। आई हैव सम फ्रेंड्स लाइक रियली गुड फ्रेंड्स हु
Every day.
get up every morning 6 o'clock, they write their script by 9 o'clock, they send it, रात 10 बजे शूट शुरू हो जाती है, you know?
अच्छा, ये तो
और
अलग सीन है, पर मैंने तो जब when I was working for Balvi, it was तो 3 दिन पहले स्क्रिप्ट आ जाता था, so फिर 3
हाँ तो
episodes are
वैसे होगा
in
ना,
ready working.
तीन का तुम्हारा बैंक रहता है, बट वो रोज
हाँ,
होता है, समझ रहे हो ना, कि
exactly.
उसमें एक आदमी कोई स्क्रीन प्ले लिख रहा है रोज, फिर उसमें एक आदमी रोज डायलॉग लिख रहा है, उसके अलावा स्टोरी में 6-7 लोग बैठे हुए हैं, वो लोग अलग से काम कर रहे हैं। इट्स लाइक प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, यू नो, कि सब लोगों को खेलना पड़ेगा उस जगह पे अगर गोल करना है तो।
It's not an individual thing.
It's not an individual sport, and also it's a very good, मतलब well paying job है वो, it's one of the best paying
Definitely.
job daily soap, और
But
उसका एक अलग मतलब मजा है उस चीज का। मैंने किया है, ऐसा नहीं किया, बट मुझे वो मतलब मेरा ये कहना है कि मैं आराम से करता हूँ चीजें, मैं थोड़ा ठीक से करना चाहता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा मजे लेके करना चाहता हूँ, मतलब वो छाप दो और कर दो, वो बहुत बहुत गट्स चाहिए उस काम को करने के लिए, unless you are that confident you shouldn't be doing that,
right.
yeah।
But
मतलब मैं
you
बताता हूँ,
worked
मेरा एनिमेशन
on
में 30 दिन लगता है मेरे को आराम से, मैं 15 दिन में एक स्क्रिप्ट करता हूँ, यहाँ 15 दिन
right.
में 15 करना पड़ता है।
हाँ, आराम से, इसमें तो बहुत टाइम लगता है।
हम्म
बट सर, आपने ओटीटी पे भी काम किया है, जी पे, बबर का टप्पर,
हम्म
एंड यू वर्कड ऑन दिस डेली सोप। मुझे वो
मेरे
जानना था,
पास
फर्क है
बहुत
क्या?
और बब्बर, नहीं यार हुआ क्या है, मैं नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग आई टेल यू, बब्बर वाज अ फिल्म, सो मेरे पास
ओ
इवन
रियली?
बिफोर स्टार्टेड शूटिंग, हाँ मेरे पास मेरा पहला 6-8 एपिसोड का स्क्रीन प्ले कई साल से रखा हुआ था, और मेरे को इनसाइड आउट पता है वो फिल्म, बिकॉज वो मैंने ही लिखी है, ठीक है। सो इट वाज अ
हम्म।
फिल्म दैट वी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ वेब सीरीज, राइट। इट बिकेम चैलेंजिंग
राइट।
आफ्टर 8th एपिसोड बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेरी फिल्म एक जगह पे खत्म हो जाती है, लेकिन अब ये उस जगह पे खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, मेरे को 24 एपिसोड लिखने हैं अब, so that is why I took a
हम्म।
back seat and said, I'll write it, I won't direct it anymore, I'll do my 6 episodes, I'll move out, I'll finish up the 2 season का writing, so
राइट।
then you have to create new stories उसके अंदर, thankfully I knew the characters, thankfully I knew what I'm doing, so we were able to churn out those episodes in time and they were able to shoot it on time. Otherwise it was a film, so मेरे को मेरे scenes पता थे in out, मेरे को मेरे सारे scenes के पता थे, और कई साल से लिखी हुई रखी थी, 2008-9 में लिखी थी मैंने वो फिल्म, तो पकड़ लो मतलब 7-8 साल से तो मेरे पास थी, और वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं नेहा एंड विक्टर फ्रॉम मैंगो पीपल, so they also had that screenplay as a film only. It's simply
अच्छा।
ZEE5 wanted them to convert that film into a web series, is where the challenges started coming in कि भाई इसको episodes में कैसे बांटे, because episodes need to have like a proper freeze point so that people will watch the next episode even if it's
राइट।
a funny show,
एंडिंग
and
में क्लिफ हैंगर होना चाहिए मे बी।
एंडिंग में क्लिफ हैंगर होना चाहिए। अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि कॉमेडी शोज हमारे क्लिफ हैंगर वाले बनते नहीं, हमारे यहाँ एपिसोडिक
राइट।
बनते हैं, आपका भाभी जी घर पे एक जगह पे शुरू होता है, एक जगह पे खत्म हो जाता है वो एपिसोड, बहुत मैक्सिमम होता है तो 2 एपिसोड का स्टोरी आर्क है, यू डोंट गो फॉर लाइक 6 एपिसोड स्टोरी आर्क, वी डोंट हैव दैट कल्चर ऑफ लीनियर
राइटिंग फॉर अ
कॉमेडी।
सीजन।
हाँ, वो अपने यहाँ नहीं है वो कल्चर, तो वो थोड़ा सा अलग था शो, बट आई पर्सनली लव दैट स्टोरी, मतलब मुझे अगर
बट वाज
दोबारा
वन
करने
ऑफ द फर्स्ट
को,
शोज,
it was one of
लाइक
the first
जो,
family shows on OTT, I think.
हाँ,
उसके
ऑल्सो
पहले
ओटीटी
family
पे
show
जब
नहीं
राइज
आता।
होना शुरू हुआ था,
हम्म,
जी का आई गेस जी का पहला शो था वो, पहला दूसरा शो था वो।
हो सकता है पहला दूसरा शो, पहले पहले 3-4 में तो था वो, फर्स्ट 3-4
हाँ,
शोज के अंदर नहीं था वो। हाँ,
but why, I wanted to ask, why did they convert into a story? Like मुझे ये भी पता है कि Amazon was in the start not keen on picking up films, they only wanted series, but why,
नहीं
like why, I wanted to ask why
एवरीथिंग है,
series?
सबका अपना अपना प्रोग्रामिंग है यार, उसमें कुछ भी कहना मुश्किल है। दूसरी चीज है, फिल्में ओटीटी पे देखने का जो कल्चर है वो उस समय राइज पे था, बट कोई ओरिजिनल नहीं बना रहा था उस समय, कोई भी नहीं बना रहा था, जी क्या मतलब अमेजोन भी नहीं बना रहा था, नेटफ्लिक्स भी उस समय नहीं बनाना शुरू किया
हाँ,
था, ये
नेटफ्लिक्स भी सेक्रेट गेम से ही
बहुत
पिकअप
बाद
हुआ
में आया,
था।
बहुत, हाँ। Squid Games also was a series, मतलब they started making their original films much later,
राइट।
तो मतलब गिवन अ चॉइस मेरे को उसको फिल्म जैसे ही करना था, Now, so because it was like a film, it has a definite ending. It's not like continuation में जाएगी ये चीज. It's very different kind of humor. तो वो बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग सीरीज में नहीं कर सकते जो हम लोग फिल्म में कर सकते हैं. So there were limitations
Sure.
of course. हाँ.
I met one of your friends, I guess. Abhijit, Mr. Abhijit Kini, sir.
हाँ, Abhijit is a good friend. Yeah.
Yeah, he teaches in my college.
अच्छा, you are from Wisdom Woods.
No. I mean, I want to say the name, but I don't know. I don't want to reveal it online. क्योंकि मैं कॉलेज के बारे में बहुत बुरी बात भी करता हूँ यहाँ पे.
उसमें क्या होता है, जो कॉलेज वाले लोग हैं तो जानते हैं.
So he teaches me.
Abhijit is amazing.
Yeah, I did not know him. Okay, so it was one of the Zoom lectures we were asked to attend, and I said, all right, let's do it. Because usi time I was starting illustration thing. I was doing illustration memes like Liana Fink or Lord Birthday for Voracious kind stuff. So, and I saw him do it on online. And I realized I don't know anything. I am very, very bad at this. I have to pick up my pace. But yeah, he was very good.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he also has his own comic books too, right? Indian Maushi.
Yeah.
Angry Maushi.
Angry Maushi.
Yeah. Just wanted to remind you. Like I saw, like because I was following you, and when I saw his Instagram, I saw that you were following him, something like that. Mutual में दिखा.
We both follow each other.
Yeah. So मैंने just show off on the Zoom call. I said I met your friend. So it was all okay. Oh, Keval has connection and XYZ.
So you
anyway. Yeah, I did. And he was like, oh yeah, I know Alok. So but tell me, how was it working with Mr. Bachchan on Astra Force?
Yeah, it's an experience actually, to be very honest. Like, I haven't met a more professional and
sorry, मेरे dad.
So I haven't met a more professional and more punctual and he was really humble, man. Like and very professional. Like whenever we have to dub, I'll get a call like 2 days in advance. I'll get my dates, I'll get my time, and when and he will be like at least 5 minutes before his time. Like 8 बजे बोला तो 7:55 will be there. And really supportive. Like he won't question you. You're the director, you are the captain of the ship. He will never question you on any goddamn thing. Like you can.
That's good.
Like there were times when I would ask him for retakes, and he's given me as many retakes as I wanted. And I'm literally a no one when it comes to Mr. Bachchan. But he never questioned me कि क्या करवा रहा है मेरे से, क्यों करवा रहा है, इतना retake क्यों हो रहा है. मतलब he has that power. He can say that.
Definitely.
Right? But he never questioned that authority. Authority was always there. Even if he has to like stop the recording or take a break for like 5 minutes. He was so soft, and he would ask for your permission. Can I take like 5 minutes break? And you're like, yeah, Amitabh Bachchan, you don't need that. You don't ask me. You have to tell me. So, मेरे को 5 minutes चाहिए. You can say 5 minutes चाहिए. Like, can I take that like 5 minutes break? Like, yeah. Once
That's
he
great.
was like 3 minutes late, and he was like, I'm extremely sorry. There was so much traffic on my way. I'm like, sir, you're just 3 minutes late. You're not even like 5 minutes. It's just 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So that was there. And he would come prepared, and he will read every single script of his, and he will come totally prepared. And even there, when I'm saying, okay, sir, this is and he'll ask me like, sir, is that the final take? I'll say, yeah, sir, that is the final take. And he'll write it down like third take final on the paper. Like he'll
really?
Every single time whenever I'm telling him, sir, ye final take hai, and then he'll like, he's writing that like ye final take, and he kept that like a record. He kept those screenplays with me. The last thing he said, if you want, you can take the screenplay because I've written all the takes. कौन सा take final किया आपने? But by then so I had all my takes. So
हाँ, but पीछे वो भी होता है ना. Like, does animation have this like daily soap में होता है कि sound department के पीछे one AD is writing everything which
ये
take
तो
his
डबिंग है
final
ना, ये तो
episode.
डबिंग है ना, ये तो डबिंग है। तो यहाँ तो मैं ही बैठ रहा हूँ, यहाँ तो मैं ही डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ और मैं ही मेरे टेक्स फाइनलाइज कर रहा हूँ। मैं
Right.
साउंड इंजीनियर के साथ बैठा हुआ हूँ, तो मैं जैसे बोलूँगा ये टेक फाइनल, साउंड इंजीनियर विल कट दैट टेक एंड कीप इट इन द फाइनल टाइम।
Oh,
वो हो
so
गया
हाँ.
होता है, हाँ, वो वहीं का वहीं लाइव चल रहा होता है, वो तो ऑलमोस्ट इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इट ऑन है, वहीं पे ऑन है। They don't even always while mixing you say अरे ये थोड़ा उतना अच्छा साउंड नहीं कर रहा है, पता नहीं शायद एक दो टेक और होंगे, चेक कर लेते हैं। You go and check on the final timeline, you find some take that is better than this one. But at that point in time, whatever you say final, it's already there in your final timeline.
Sure. Did you hear the rumor about Mr. Bachchan?
What?
There's a there's a rumor which came on Twitter and WhatsApp that he is tweeting that Nanavati Hospital has been treating him very well. And the thing is that he doesn't have COVID. He just has gone to Nanavati and he's tweeting Nanavati very well because he has some money invested in Nanavati. And after that, I thought,
I don't know.
how
I haven't heard.
how dumb is this?
I haven't,
Like, why
I
would
haven't heard
anyone
any
pretend that
of
he
these.
has COVID?
मैंने नहीं सुना यार, मैंने सुना नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं है ना, very happy मुझे नहीं।
अच्छा नहीं सुना सर, क्या कुछ भी चलता है क्योंकि nowadays this is like Twitter is gone now. Like now when I open Twitter, all I see is nepotism debate, and it's just all the time going. Right now, Anurag Kashyap and Kangana Ranaut are battling. New Warrior will
I'm
come
off
soon.
social media, man. I have no clue about what's going on.
Oh wow,
I'm
really?
totally
You
off. Yeah,
don't know
yeah.
anything about this?
I don't want to get into it, so मैं जाता ही नहीं ट्विटर पे, मैं ट्विटर पे नहीं जाता, मैं फेसबुक पे भी बहुत कम हूँ। इंस्टाग्राम पे थोड़ा बहुत होता है, वो once in a blue moon I'll go there. I'm like totally off social media,
Oh
and
lovely,
I'm
lovely.
actually enjoying that. Yeah, I went off social media last year only, last year June. So I'm very rarely coming on social media. I come there for like 2-3 minutes. I'll just, if I have to tweet, I'll tweet. I go back.
Yeah,
So I don't
now I've
spend.
started using it as just a marketing tool. Like I just post कि podcast new podcast has come out, देख लो. Hopefully कोई देखेगा. And then the same Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So I don't even operate now, and Twitter.
No, I'm
That's it.
not on social media. I've realized I'm better off. Social media, it takes away a lot of time, and there's so much negativity on social media. There's some really amazing things also. Like I have some favorite handles everywhere, whether it's Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. I visit those things. I go through like a lot of art-based handles are there. A lot of artists I really admire are there on all these social media platforms, and I just follow them, and I'm very happy doing that. So I don't
But
want to get into unnecessary diatribes.
yeah, I think it's
Huh.
the best now. Because now because of this COVID thing, everyone is now on social media. Like I see now people doing stuff which they said me to not to do. You know what I mean? Like for example, just normal stuff. Every day I know a person who's very different in life and is trying to be in the social circle now. So does stuff like that, and it just doesn't really turn out good. And it's just like everyone is trying to get involved now in the group. That's all I see now. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, sir, do you illustrate?
I used to illustrate. I scribble these days. I don't really illustrate nowadays. It's been like
I
more
saw
than.
some on your Instagram.
अब पुराना होगा बहुत, नया कुछ नहीं होगा, मतलब हो
हाँ,
गए
कम ही है.
7-8 साल तो हो गए मुझे, मतलब properly professionally drawing किए. I do these days, मतलब there are times when I have to explain something to someone. मेरे को visually क्या चाहिए, so I just do like stick figures and I show it to them, and
Right.
that's the max
That's about
I
it.
do these days. Yeah.
But I wanted to ask, like, finally, I want to ask this: how does this comic thing start? Tell me about this. Does India have this crazy comic book craze? I know Tinkle is the most
Yeah,
famous.
India always had a very active comic book culture. At least in 80s and 90s,
Okay.
we had some real cool comic book publishers and some real cool superheroes while we were growing up. So like at least people in my generation have read a lot of cool Indian comic books.
Agree.
With time, say around late 90s, these comic books went out of business because it wasn't viable at that point in time to run a comic book business. But again, you know, by late 2000s, a lot of fanboys came back to the medium, try to create comic books.
Start, huh?
And there are some real cool publishers now. Yeah, there are some real cool publishers putting out some good books every year out there for people to read, and there's a very decent readership. I won't say it's as good as it used to be in the 80s and 90s, but I'm
Right.
saying the tribe is growing. It exactly this happened in the US also. Okay, there was a time when comic books as a medium
What a
were
thing,
like
yes.
were a thing, and then it almost got wiped out. Marvel got bankrupt like thrice. तो सब हुआ है वहां पे भी हुआ है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे यहाँ कुछ नया हो रहा है. This is a cycle that every medium goes through, and there comes a time, you know, if purge जिसको
When
बोलते
it
हैं,
comes back.
there's a purge in any medium, and then it rises again. So
Right.
I would say it's rising again, and we always wanted to do comic books. It's not like ये एक दिन अचानक सपना आया कि हमको comics करना है. We always wanted to do comic books. We all are comic book fans, and we wanted to do
Lovely.
something cool, something really interesting, something that we will be proud of as creators. And there were like a lot of stories that we all had. So what we did was we all came together and we discussed a lot of stories, and we finalized three of them. Took those three stories, started writing them, started trying to figure out who the artists will be, and all these artists are friends, so we can always go and ask them that they want to come on board. And we got some really crazy, amazing art on our books. If you've seen the books,
Lovely.
yeah.
Well,
So
so
yeah, so that happened. And वैसे भी पहले भी किया हुआ है comics. ऐसा नहीं है कि this is the first time we are doing it, but this is the first time. This is how we all wanted to do it. This is how I really wanted to come out.
yeah, but this is a launch and this is a big thing now.
Yeah. This is how it should be done. उससे पहले किया है छिटपुट कॉमिक्स, कुछ की हैं जो निकली नहीं, कुछ आधी बन के रखी हुई हैं पब्लिशर्स के पास में. तो इस तरीके से था क्योंकि उनके उनके ज्यादा मतलब end of the day they have more power than anybody else, right? So it's up
Right.
to them, and it's not even a power game actually. They have to figure out their ROI, and here it was our books. हम इसको जैसे मर्जी वैसे कर सकते हैं, जैसे मर्जी वैसे निकाल सकते हैं. Basically, we are the owner of the entire game. So owning the IP and creating something has always been like very very exciting proposition overall. So yeah, so that's
Yeah.
how entire Indus thing happened.
Great
And the
then.
team
So
also really killer. Yeah.
yeah, the team is also very good. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I don't know the third.
This
Ma'am's name.
Soman Patel is our
Soman
third part.
Patel and Cutie Appa guy.
And Arunab is there. So Arunab and I were planning this thing. मतलब planning तो क्या बोलेंगे, discuss कर रहे थे इसको हम लोग 2016 end से discuss कर रहे थे. Let's do
Oh
a
wow.
comic book. Let's create our own superheroes. The idea is to create superheroes that will age well with time, and superheroes one can relate to. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि Batman has to keep rebooting every 20 years
Right.
to be
To
timely
be in the
and
essence.
to have all the zeitgeist of that era, right?
Right.
So that happens, but newest superheroes thankfully are created in a world where अगले 20 30 40 साल तक तो ये लोग सही तरीके से एज किए जा सकते हैं. उसके
Do you
बाद
have a
देखेंगे.
plan on, making something of this, like a show or something like that?
See, the thing is, you should have a vague idea is what Picasso has said. You need to have a vague idea of what you want. So there's a vague idea, but more than anything else, if there's not a good comic book, there cannot be a good TV show out of it, or there cannot be a good
Right.
movie is out of that comic book.
The
So
response has
create
been
a
good on
comic
this one,
book.
right?
Hmm?
The response on Indus is very good.
Response is pretty good. Response is much better than what we had expected, to be very honest.
Right.
But वही है कि अपनी स्टोरीज इतनी अच्छे से करो कि वो किसी भी मीडियम में ले जाके उसको पटकोगे तो वो उस मीडियम का बेस्ट वर्क बन के निकलेगा. तो
Sure.
पहले ही पागल हो जाओ, पहले ही बोलो कि मेरे को फिल्म बनानी है इस पे, टीवी शो बनाना है इस पे. I don't come from that school of thought. I'm saying
अभी
कॉमिक्स बनाना है और सबसे बेस्ट कॉमिक्स बनानी है. वो कॉमिक्स बनानी है जो मेरे को पढ़ के मजा आएगा. वो कॉमिक्स बनानी है जो
Right.
सबको पढ़ के मजा आएगा. जब सबको मजा आएगा तो अपने आप उस पे फिल्म भी बन जाएगी, उस पे वेब सीरीज भी बन जाएगी, उस पे वीडियो गेम भी बन जाएगा. बट अगर मैं वो टारगेट करूं, फिर मैं बोलूं वीडियो गेम है ना, तो इस पे वीडियो गेम भी बनवाना पड़ेगा. तो इस कहानी को ना ऐसा कर देते हैं सो दैट ये वीडियो गेम इजी होगा. अब इस कहानी को ये कर देते हैं क्योंकि ये
Oh, हाँ
स्टोरी
हाँ.
वहां पे लग जाएगा. मेरी पूरी कहानी को मैंने फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन मॉन्स्टर बना देना है ऐसा करके. I don't want to
Right,
do
right.
that. I'm saying this is a story. Now let's see what we can do with it. So be honest to your story, यार. Be true to your story. और उसका क्या होगा आगे, वो स्टोरी की किस्मत है.
I am writing a superhero comedy show anyway. Like तो मैं
Right?
जल्दी आपको pitch करूँगा ऑफिस with good characters.
Yeah. Bring it.
Anyways, on that note, sir, thank you so much for coming. Congratulations on Indusverse.
Thank you.
And yeah, hopefully once meet you in person.
Definitely, you're most welcome. Yeah.
All right, sir. Thanks, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.